आसायगाव वाठारात एका प्रस्तावित कलवट सुवातेची पंचायती वतीनं पाहणी सुरू असताना थंय सध्या बरोच तणाव निर्माण झाला. या वेळार वाठारातल्या प्रश्नावर चर्चा करपाक आणि लोकांचो आवाज ऐकून घेवपाक आमदार विरेश बोरकर आणि आमदार डेलिला लोबो हे दोघूय लेगीत थंय हाजीर आशिल्ले. प्रकल्पाच्या कामाक लागून थळाव्या लोकांमध्ये आशिल्लो संताप आणि दुबाव पळोवन थंय परिस्थिती बरीच तापलेली पळोवक मेळ्ळी.
एक पॉइंट
ऑब्जेक्शन आला घे ना ऑब्जेक्शन
ऐको सर हेच्या पयलीं आमी कितकी ऑब्जेक्शन घाल्ल्या तुमी कांयच करिना. आतां लोकांची सही घेया न्हू तुमचे ऑब्जेक्शन माना न्हू तुमी. एवरी टायम यू आर सेइंग सेम ओनली ऑफिसर ऑफिसर चलना कितें.
विवेक हे राहुल
तुम्ही आता किती म्हणून घेतलं आमदारांना आता रिस्पेक्ट देईना. These people, so many public came, they spent their time to tell you and explain you. You listen all that, take down, note down and go. You're just running away.
सर दोन एमएलए आहेत त्यांना ते रिस्पेक्ट
free, yeah.
दी मला तुका रिस्पेक्ट देऊन गो ना.
You are free, yeah. You are not free.
Madam.
You are busy.
One minute. On behalf of our villagers, I demand and request Madam to tell Vishwajit Rane to cancel his project once and for all.
Right, right, absolutely. We don't want. We don't want. DCP needs everything.
Narayan Mandrekar, how was that? Project cost.
मेजरमेंट घेवन म्हाका सांग तुमी आतां ती प्रॉपर्टी आसा ओके ताका तुमी कितें कन्वर्जन दिला लँड एक्सचेंज दिला यू आर टीसीपी ऑफिसर यू हॅव कम अलॉंग विथ ऑल द फायल्स डॉक्युमेंटेशन यू कांट कम लायक शेकिंग युअर हँड्स
कोर्टाचे
आता तुम्ही जे आता परमिशन त्यांना ग्रांट केला एज पर दॅट परमिशन ओनली दॅट दिस कल्वर्ट इज बीन प्रपोज्ड करेक्ट यू कांट से लाइक दैट बिकॉज यू हैव कम फॉर द inspection. No, you have to tell us because you have come for the inspection. That's what I'm saying. You have to
Vivek Mahekar, CEO.
documents while doing the inspection. You can't come shaking your hands like this. No, which officer? Jaydev is deputy town planner, correct? So he should have come over here, no? Before proposing, listen one thing. What I'm saying is that before proposing anything, and you'll have to do a side inspection, proper side inspection. You have seen the densely trees over there, and you'll have already proposed it seems for land use change under that land. Or it has been approved as per Sarpanch approval. So when you are granting a permission, you'll have not checked the crossing of this Nalla. And there is a high tide, when there is a heavy rainfall, there is a high tide over there. So you'll have not checked it. And how you can give a permission?
So without checking reality, sitting in the office and signing everything.
So basic thing is there.
That's it. That is the government of the day.
बेसिक कितें आसा
You can ask anybody.
तुम्ही येवन पळोवपाक जाय आसलें जेन्ना तुमी वॉट एवर परमिशन तुमी ग्रांट करता सगळ्याक अशेंच जाला. आख्खे गोंयभरान तुमी 39 आसूं 72 आसूं आनी कितें आसूं तुमी अप्रुवल दिता सोडटा. हांगा लोकलांक कितें इफेक्ट जातले रोड केदो आसा थंय आमी पळयला रोड 3 मीटर थंय तितलो कलवडाचो रोड आसा तुम्ही कसो तांकां परमिशन
Before giving construction license, you have to come physically and check.
Right.
you'll have to check.
Under what? My simple question very
from in to in
under
is
which
430.
which provision of the TCP he is authorized for culvert? It is road and bridges. PW road and bridges for permission.
That's what I'm saying.
आमकां शिक्षण गाडू करनाका आमकां.
तुम्ही आता खंयच्या बेसिसाचेर केला तुम्ही करूंक शकना न्हू. तुमकां एवरी टायम लोकांक कोर्टान वयचें पडटा लोकांक डिफरंट डिपार्टमेंटान अथॉरिटीजान वयचें पडटा तेन्नाच तुमी येता नाल्यार तुमी येत ना. तुमकां कोण सांगले ऑफिसर सांगले मिनिस्टर सांगले बेटा वॉट एवर कोण सांगता तुमी अप्रुवल दिता दीस इज कंप्लिटली रॉंग. आयज लोक येयला तूं वचपाक सोदता कशें ना ते जयदेवाक सांग जयदेवान हांगा येवपाक जाय आसलो सायटीचेर इतले लोक आयज जमले हांगा आमी पासून हांगा येयले स्पेशली लोकांनी आपयला म्हणून तेन्ना जयदेवान हांगा स्पेशल येवपाक जाय आसलो ही हॅज गिवन द परमिशन करेक्ट. Deputy Town Planner is concerned officer to give a permission.
He should have been present.
or your TCB board, whichever board has granted this permission, he should have come over here. Or you should have called CTP. She's sitting in the office there and she's not doing anything. She's saying, no, the board has granted, board has granted. You are not giving a proper documentation. हांगा तुम्ही झाडां पळय मरे ती केन्ना व्हडली झाडां ती झाडां तुम्ही झाडांची हायट पळय केदी व्हडली झाडां आसा ती 50-100